Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Messenger. Now here it is going to be a really simple tutorial, so yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to your upper hand corner. You need to click on your profile image, and then you just need to scroll here and you need to click on dark mode. And here you can tap dark mode on, or you can click on system. So you can also turn on dark mode by just going to your settings and setting your settings and your theme to dark mode on your phone. And this will allow you to have dark mode on Messenger as well, as you can see. So right now we have dark mode. Now if you want to turn back to your old mode, you can go and click off. And yeah, this will, again, you can see down below, if system is selected, Messenger will automatically adjust your appearance based on your device system settings. So if your system is on, dark mode, then you will automatically have dark mode. As you can see right here, we have automatically dark mode. So this is how to enable dark mode on Messenger in 2022.